Welcome to this tutorial on how to make your own font using the Creative Fabrica AI Font Generator. This powerful yet user-friendly tool lets anyone create custom, installable fonts effortlessly. Whether you're a professional designer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Once you access the tool, you'll find a simple interface where you can input a prompt describing the font you want. You can specify styles like decorative, artistic, fancy, or anything else that fits your vision. There's also a generation button to kick things off. In the free plan, every registered user gets 5,000 coins upon signing up. Each font generation costs 1,000 coins, but here's the best part. If you discard a font before downloading it, those 1,000 coins will be refunded to your balance. Now, let's dive in and start generating fonts. To begin, write a clear prompt about the type of font you'd like to create. For example, we'll use bold handwritten font. Be specific. The more details you provide, the better the AI understands your vision. Next, select a style from the available options. These could include decorative, elegant, modern, or even experimental styles. Once you've chosen, hit the Generate button. Give the AI a moment to work its magic. In no time, your custom font will be ready for review. Now comes the fun part, reviewing your newly generated font. Take a close look at all the characters. If there's a character you don't like, don't worry. You can regenerate the font until you're satisfied. Keep tweaking until you achieve the perfect result. Once you're happy with your font, click the Download button. You'll receive a TTF file containing your custom font. This file is compatible with both Mac and Windows devices, so you can easily install and use it across various platforms. If you're stuck for ideas, head over to websites like dafont.com to browse existing fonts for inspiration. Find a font you admire, copy its URL, and then visit an AI tool like ChatGPT. Provide the URL and ask it to describe the font without infringing on copyrights. Then, request a prompt that would generate a similar font. Use this new prompt in the Creative Fabrica AI Font Generator to experiment further. Keep adjusting your prompts and settings until you find a font that truly reflects your vision. After downloading the font file, double-click on it and select Install. Your custom font is now ready to use on your desktop or phone, allowing you to incorporate it into any project you desire. That's it. With the Creative Fabrica AI Font Generator, creating unique, professional-quality fonts has never been easier. Thanks to Creative Fabrica for providing such an incredible tool. And remember, it's still free to try while supplies last. So what are you waiting for? Check out our free guide and start designing your own fonts today. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more creative tips and tutorials. Happy designing!